1970 something, nigga, I don't sweat the date. My mom was late, so I had to plan my escape out the skins in this world. The fly girl, hang a ray of Hennessy until I call Earl. 10 months in this gut, what the fuck? I wish Mars would hurry up so I could get bucked. Wild juvenile with the mics and shit. New York, ready for the likes of this? Then came the worst date, May 21st, 2019. That's when my mama water burst. No spouse in the house, so she rolled for self. Took the hospital to see if she could get a little help. Umbilical cords wrapped around my neck. I'm seeing my death and I ain't even took my first step. I made it out, I'm bringing mad joy. The doctor looked and said he's gonna be a bad boy.
Pac realizes who let Pac drive. Swear to God, to reverse it, I give my left eye. With the right, I visualize the king of Bed-Stuy. Checking his daughter Tiana in the junior high. If I was in Brooklyn and B.I. was still alive in 2006, it might sound like this. NY 718 212s with Sue's rendezvous. It's like